Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the AMZCHEF 24-inch wall oven, a built-in electric convection oven for anyone remodeling or upgrading their kitchen. Let's break down what it offers. This is a 70-liter, 2.5 cubic foot convection oven, using a powerful convection system that circulates heated air over, under, and around your food. This delivers even, consistent baking since the oven maintains accurate temperature and airflow throughout the cooking process. It runs on a 240V power supply with a maximum output of 2,800 watts. One genuinely convenient feature is the 8 automatic programming modes, including insulation, warming, toasting, pizza, chicken leg mode, bread, cake, and beef. Temperature, time, and heating mode are all preset for each, so you just touch the button for what you're making and let the oven handle the rest. For control, it includes a multifunctional timer that can double as a clock and can be set to automatically switch the oven on or off at scheduled times. There's also a built-in safety lock, which is a genuinely useful feature if you have kids in the house. In terms of fit, this 24-inch wall oven has a product size of 23.4 by 22.24 by 23.4 inches, with a built-in size of 22.24 by 21.85 by 23.4 inches. It's designed to install under any induction hob or gas cooktop, making it a flexible option for various kitchen layouts. Backing this up, AMZCHEF offers a 1-year warranty along with lifelong technical support and 24-hour customer service, so if any issues come up after installation, support is readily available. Overall, the AMZCHEF 24-inch wall oven combines genuinely capable convection cooking, convenient automatic programming, and a design built to fit standard kitchen layouts, making it a strong option if you're looking to upgrade to a built-in oven with real functionality. I'll leave a link to this oven in the description below if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, see you in the next review.